Hi everyone, and welcome to Module 3, CRAAPP, Research and Developing a BS Detector. This module is a little unusual in that we do not have a textbook reading, but I've supplemented a lack of textbook support in this area with several short videos. Unfortunately, since some of the videos are pulled from other sources, there are a few that don't have subtitles. I tried to limit those as much as I can in class, but there were a few that I couldn't find decent sources for with subtitles. Most of the videos are short, with the exception of the video with John Oliver. That clip is 20 minutes long and by far the most entertaining. John Oliver does a beautiful job of explaining how research and the research cycle can be derailed by bad readings of scientific studies. In this module, I'll also introduce you to Snopescom, which is a great resource for developing a BS meter. It's very important that you start to develop a skeptical and critical mind, and one of the easiest places to start is with the sort of memes and information that you see come across your social media pages, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. A good rule of thumb is if the image or text you're seeing is somehow designed to evoke an emotional response from you, there's a good chance that your BS detector should be going off. When you see a meme come across your Facebook feed or your grandmother emailed you something awful, you're able to look it up at Snopes.com, and there's a really good chance that they've already established an evidence-based post about the issue. This isn't an academic source, and you won't be able to use it for academic arguments, but in real life, I found it to be a very useful tool. Your job is to browse through the article on the front page of the Hot 50 section. Choose an article that you find interesting or surprising and write 1 to 2 paragraphs about what you find remarkable about that article. You can also search for an article that you've seen on one of your social media feeds recently to fact check. Other assignments this week focus on evaluating resources using the CRAAPP Detector evaluation tool. You'll discuss the tool in a discussion board, practice using the tool on one of the wellness readings from Module 1, and then spend some time thinking about your research question for our final project, a literature review on a wellness-related topic of your choice. We'll talk about wellness. This is a very large umbrella that extends to many realms and could include anything that somehow improves you. Begin thinking about your physical health, your emotional health, your intellectual well-being, your spiritual health, your occupational or social health. Any of these subtopics fit under the wellness umbrella. I want you to pick a topic and research question that will hold your attention for the majority of the semester. So I want you to structure your research question and choose a topic that specifically pertains to your life. However, the question must be answered with the collection of data. If data cannot be used to answer your research question, you'll need to rethink it. Be sure to do your research, take advantage of the resources that I've made available to you before submitting your final research question. As always, I'm available to you via email Monday through Friday. If you have any questions, have a great couple weeks.